So what up guys, today we're going to be installing the Borla exhaust on the Lexus GS350. Long overdue, this GS350. It sounds good, the induction noise sounds great, the V6 sounds great, but that exhaust back there, it's got to go. Got to get something much better. So of course I'm going to get some before and after for you guys, so next clip should be the befores, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so we're on our way to go pick up the exhaust. So and I was about to give you guys a quick pull, but I'm stuck here in traffic. So give me a sec. Once this truck gets out of the way, we're gonna be able to hear what this exhaust sounds like stock. We'll let the homie go through. All right, so he's going. Oh no, he's coming too. Oh crap. All right, so let's go. All right, so I hit like 4,000, 5,000 RPMs. Sounds good, but it's gonna sound better. Alright guys, so just pulled up to the spot where I'm gonna be buying the exhaust. So got the exhaust right here. Gonna be throwing it in the trunk in a bit, but just look at this GS. So this is definitely gold right here. So this is Michael, the owner.
What's up guys?
As you can see, coilovers. He also has a modified exhaust. What's your exhaust again, Michael?
Student mid pipes. I got extended 2 inches, and then NVIDIA axle back.
Oh, okay, well, of course, Michael promised us a startup, so whenever you're ready. Yeah. All right, so it's gonna start it up. Damn, that sounds clean. I know that sounds really. It's more of a sports car. And yeah, you have that just V6 sound. It kind of sounds like almost GTR-ish.
Yeah, bro, that's what my buddy told me. Like last time I had drove to a puddle, and it sounded exactly like almost like a GTR. Did the puddle get in the exhaust a little? Yeah.
I heard that happen.
So it made it sound like a GTR. He's like, bro, it sounds like a GTR. I said, not it, like if you knew know how it sounds.
Yeah.
But it kind of like. As car guys, you're gonna just like joke around.
Yeah. No. This one, some people say like, oh, your car sounds like a GTR, and it's kind of like a compliment. But I'm not. This is not really like a compliment. It literally sounds like a GTR.
No, yeah, and I appreciate that. Yeah, like man, like.
Okay, so we're pulling up to the spot. It should be right here. So turning in. Hopefully they're not too busy. But let's see what it's like here. absolutely love this exhaust. 100% recommended. The thing about this exhaust is it's probably like the weirdest exhaust I have ever owned, because it could be really quiet to a point where you're like, you know, does this car even have an exhaust on? Or like if you stomp on it in like 2,000 to 3,000 RPMs, it gets really loud. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick pull. No one's around. So 2,000, about to hit 3,000. Oh shoot! I wasn't expecting to see a car there. But as you can see, yeah, it sounds great. Definitely a good amount of noise, but at the same time, it's not over the top. The other really good thing about this exhaust is that there's no rasp whatsoever. Once you get past 4,000 RPM, all you hear is intake noise. No rasp, it doesn't get super loud up at top, which is actually a really good thing, because I don't know if this exhaust was like engineered to work with this car really well, and it does, because literally right when this car lets off on the exhaust noise, the intake just takes over and you hear the intake noise. So it's just like a seesaw where it hands it off to the other one. So it's really well done. Definitely. Alright guys, so no exhaust review would not be complete without a tunnel run. So that's what we're going to do right now. Need to get enough space to have enough room to actually send it. Alright, hopefully that light isn't red, the one that's coming up, and here we go. Alright, so yeah, the light was red. Oh, these cars, they wildin'. This car is, whoa, they're ready to go. I thought I was having fun, but look at these two right here. You know, shout out to Lexus GS King right there. He's in the middle of the road. Poor guy. Hey, it happens to everyone, guys, so you know, don't make fun of him.